Testing, testing mic. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Nakota's Food and Fits. Went out, got a few ingredients, and wanted to make a little recipe video for something common that I'm going to be using in a lot of upcoming videos. So it's going to be a real simple recipe here. I got a little how-to video the whole way through it, non-stop. Doesn't take long at all. It's not going to take although 6 minutes as long as the video is, but it's definitely going to be real easy for you. It's packed with some nutrients. We got all kinds of seeds, we got healthy fats, we got protein, and some coconut and chia seed to just get some extra vitamins and minerals in there. The recipe is going to be some peanut butter balls. I figured out the recipe the other day just messing around, and it worked. So I wrote it down and went back, got everything for it, and made a second batch of them. So in this video, I'll be using some protein powder. I don't get sponsored or anything like that for it. I don't get paid to use it, but I use Designer Whey, 100% all natural whey protein, key B vitamins for energy, boost your metabolism. It's got some great aminos in it as well. The main reason I get it, honestly, is because it's easy to find. I get it at like Target. It's 25 single serving scoops for about, I think, like $16 or $18. So for me, I usually go for price per serving, and I got a vanilla and a chocolate just to last me for a while. This is what I use in all my like protein smoothie bowls, smoothies, protein pancakes. Anyway, let's get making to these delicious balls. Getting started here with the first step. Gotta drain that excess oil out of the peanut butter just so it doesn't get too wet in the peanut butter ball. This time I used chunky peanut butter. First time I did, I used smooth. So either way it works out, but I had to eventually use a spoon to get it out and then just mash it up to soften it. So after I emptied the full jar in there, it was a 16-ounce jar, set it aside, and then I've got everything ready to put inside of the balls. Start off with 1 scoop of my vanilla protein, and that's about 20 grams of protein, and then I use another scoop of chocolate protein. You could do all vanilla if you have it. So it's about 40 grams total. The recipe made about 18 balls. So it kind of went a long way. The ball's pretty small, but with all the other things added into it, it comes out to a healthy little snack. So I used the protein scooper to measure all these out, just like a half a scoop of each one. First one were some sunflower seeds, then we had some pumpkin seeds, and then this was some roasted edamame, so that added some extra protein as well. Not my best knife choice here with chopping everything up, but it got the job done. Everything kind of makes a mess, but as long as you get them all chopped up a little finer so you're not biting into whole like size nuts in these little peanut butter balls. So once everything is chopped up, you kind of just add it in with the protein powder and everything like that. And then I forgot, I just got some new coconut, so I did a full protein scoop size of that, just to add a little extra texture in there and a little sweetness, even though it was unsweetened coconut, but I still think it has a little natural sweetness. Going to mix this, it definitely doesn't look like at first that it's all gonna mix together. It's very dry, very crumbly. Eventually I just switched my hands and it kind of worked out better because just being warm, it kind of melted peanut butter, made it a little bit easier to mix together, and then it kind of formed a lot simpler. Kept kind of kneading it almost like pizza dough or any sort of dough, or just trying to keep pushing it down, getting it softer, make sure everything's incorporated, mixed evenly throughout. You definitely don't want to have like dry little pieces of protein throughout the balls, because that's definitely not pleasant texture. So I just formed one giant mega ball here, and then got all the peanut butter oil off my hands from mixing that all up, and got all set to make some little mini balls. So after I got that all mixed up, I prepped the coating for the balls. First, some chia seeds I put in there. I forgot to show it, so I grabbed it real quick. There we go, chia seeds. And then some more not toasted coconut, but unsweetened coconut. So you can really use anything you want to coat your peanut butter balls, but I just kept it simple and stayed with ingredients I had on hand, and I really enjoy it. So then I just took a large melon ball scooper, got one big scoop, broke it into 2 little mini ones, rolled them out into balls, tossed them, and just started that, see how they looked. I was happy with the size, so that's what I ended up going for throughout the rest of the process here. Out of this whole recipe, this is probably the most time-consuming part, but not challenging or difficult at all. It's just rolling them out to your preferred size. And as I said earlier, these are great for all sorts of things. I mean, I make them, just prep them for the week, and then you could either take them out, crumble them on top of smoothie bowls, almost use it like granola. I've mixed it in with oatmeal before to add a little peanut butter and protein to that. You can bring it on the go as just a little energy boost throughout the day. I prefer to keep them in the fridge so they don't really get super melty, but I've never had them fully completely melt into like a liquid form, even though they were that natural peanut butter. Also, I know that people want to argue whether peanut butter is healthy or not, but I mean, using all natural peanut butter with all natural ingredients, adding protein to it, it's pretty much a foolproof recipe here and healthy all around. That wraps up my simple and easy protein peanut butter ball recipe. I hope you give it a shot, and if it is a little too intense, too much peanut butter for you, which I could understand, I thought about maybe melting down some dark chocolate and dropping balls in there and then letting it harden. It'll be like chocolate covered. It will increase the sugar amount, make them a little less healthy, but it should make them a little bit less dry and harsh on the peanut butter. Alright guys, so if you try the recipe, just message me or comment if you liked it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Baby.